crew here came from the boat to the boat.
Feeling your energy coming over me like waves in the sea. You're rolling over me. I can feel where you wanna go. We could wake up in this scene of our own make-believe story with meaning. Yes, I feel it. Yes, I see it. I see it in your eyes. I'm feeling it this time. Everything is alright. I can feel it, I can hear it coming over me like waves in the sea. You rolling through me. You rolling, you rolling, you rolling through me. Yeah, I'll roll with you. You wanna roll with me. We're rolling right out to sea. Grab this wave with me and feel this energy.
So they're picking it all out, looking for, insect grubs and stuff. In behind there is diesel fuel. In this box is a little diesel generator. There's batteries here that are called house batteries. Another set over there. Starting battery over there. And behind, way back there, behind that bulkhead, there's a big water tank. And that's the sort of guts of what all's down here. And while we're down here, we're going to just check the oil, because at this point in time it's important. So we're going to put a little bit of oil in. Goes like through the engine, but it's fresh water in the engine, same as your car. And the salt water cools the fresh water. It does that. Okay, so even though this is a large engine, it's not very powerful. It's 120 horse, but it's designed to last forever. About 75 gallons of water right now. And we started with 100, so we're...
How do you tell?
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
See this red little floater?
Oh yeah?
So this is 100 gallons.
Mm-hmm.
That's 200, 150, 100, or 50. So that's about 75 gallons right there.
I'm creating a dream. I'm creating this dream.
It gets easier because I didn't think we were going to be able to do that.
Creating a dream.
Good for you.
Creating this dream.
And Jack, honestly, that is tremendous.
Yeah, that's where it's going.
Okay, so we're about there. Come down here. And we're going to go into there and see if there's anchorage. If not, then we're going to come down here.
Hey, we just pulled on wanting you.
Directive is landing into the great sea, swimming with both feet. Is this the truth you seek? A broken prophecy, or just a frequency that you and I can see? I'm creating a dream. I'm creating this dream with you, my friend. Come join me if you can. We're creating a dream. We're creating this dream on this shared land. Come join us if you can.
There's killer whales.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go here.
You have killer whales. Killer whales
Where? Oh, let's
on
go.
the radio.
That's awesome.
Are you gonna bring out your drone?
I'll get the drone out.
I don't see any whale watching boats. So the point is, you have no idea who was talking where. You know what I
I
mean?
don't know where they were from, but I mean, it was pretty loud.
I
That's
see
because
nobody
that's
here.
drone material. If there are whales out here.
Yeah, but I don't think you could do it here.
Could you feel this in return if I said it again? That your one and only friend has the courage to rescind all the lies held in the end. Or would you feel the wrong upon a lifetime of regrets? That you never made the bet, didn't wanna make your bed. Listen to the other instead of your own cry, calling out for pride. With those bright eyes, why didn't you make the time to feel alive? Not undecided, no, or living a lie, hanging on the sidelines where you're contrite to go another round without a fight.
card games and I want to smoke your butt.
There's juice inside. It's not juice there.
There's juice? Oh yeah, the apple juice. But I need water. Nice cold water. Now what if you had to swim back home on a paddleboard?
Probably take me all day.
All day? I think weeks. Not weeks, but it's gonna take a long time.
This is a race. You're both losing.
It's so unsteady that wins the race, I thought.